My name is Samuel Ihenseken Jr., the counsel to Senior Prophet Jeremiah Omotu Fufunye. Thank you very much. Yes. In respect of today's matter, quite incidentally, for personal reasons, I could not make it to the courts promptly at that 9 o'clock. I was on transit on air, and for some medical reasons, I could not be able to attend the proceedings promptly as I ought to. And because of the sensitive nature of the matter, it's very important. I wrote to the court to bring it to the light of the court of the circumstances for a standard. But the court in its wisdom, the court is a court of wisdom, actually choose on the application of the counsel for Martin to say, otherwise known as Verydarkman. On the application, he sorted for a cost of 200,000, giving the court very funny and very flimsy excuse. With all due respect to it, the court rejected that award of cost because I've been upright, and my character from the beginning of this matter has shown a lot of prudence and prompt prosecution. So the court declined that, and we should also understand that this is a matter that was originally assigned and set for the FCT High Court Vacation Court for the period of August to September. We're already in September. The courts are the vacation courts. I think they have less than 6 or 5 days. We have a lot of sundry application on our part and on the part of the defendant, Martin Sose, otherwise known as Verydarkman. However, there's an interesting twist to this matter. The last date, I was served some court processes, which I've actually responded to, the light, and we discover a lot of discrepancy in the documents displayed, alleged, and relied upon by the defendants in this matter. So we are going to be having a trial inside a trial. In the sense is the purported receipts, which I'll make available to the press, that Mr. Martin Sose alleged to have used to buy the said spiritual items. We have discovered that those receipts, more particularly 1527 and the other one in the numbers, we have discovered that the receipt in question actually do not exist in any ramification. Is actually from wherever he has got it from. The implication is that receipt is altered and it is forged. I've made the receipts available for the press. The police have done an intensive investigation on the matter. The forensic report, I believe by now, should be out, and that we have bring before this court. We have filed it as a process and display the particular characters of that receipt so that the receipt is not just altered, it is forged. It is forged by the defendant in order to clothe him with the locus to sue in this matter. And two, he also lacks the jurisdiction to enforce any provisions of the Nafdac Act on anybody whatsoever. He's not the Attorney General of the Federation. He has no vice, he has no competence within the meaning of the Nafdac Act. So everything he's actually doing in this regard is a charade and is condemnable. Thank you.
Now, my people, the news you just watched now, this video is from Pastor Jeremiah's lawyer. We all know that Pastor Jeremiah escaped court hearing yesterday, and the lawyer of Pastor Jeremiah came to the court when the court time is over. So, and this is what the man deemed necessary to say. The video you just watched is from Pastor Jeremiah's lawyer. Now, watch this video. Hear what Verydarkman lawyer have to say concerning Pastor Jeremiah and Verydarkman's court case.
Wetin dey happen o? My lawyer don reach court now. See wetin happen for court o.
Everybody knows that as at the last sitting of the court, the position is that all the pending applications, which include their motion for interlocutory injunction and our own motion too, to stop them from selling unlicensed, unregistered, and unapproved products, is slated for today for hearing. But unfortunately, we are in court today, and the counsel to the church, counsel to Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufunye, failed to show up. And he did not even send a letter to the court. The only representative of the court, of the church, informed the court that the counsel is out of town. One would think that a case of this magnitude, that everybody takes serious, including the parties and the counsel thereto, a lawyer will not show up. A big firm of path legal of Mr. Samuel Nseke, who has many counsel in his office. No representative came from that law office. And we consider it that a game of hide and seek has started, and we will not condone that. And that is why we ask the court to grant us a cost.
You heard my lawyer. There's on the act.
Welcome back, my people. You all heard from the horse's mouth. This is from Verydarkman's lawyer. According to Verydarkman's lawyer, he said that they are doing this kind of case as if it's a hide and seek. And according to what Verydarkman posted yesterday on his Facebook page, he said that he is using one eye to look Nafdac. The Nafdac, they just want to be like, say, alleged. They just alleging that it seems that they want to, arrange what kind of Nafdac number and that and give Pastor Jeremiah, so that it will be like say Verydarkman the lie. And according to Verydarkman, he said that he is with the product. And from Pastor Jeremiah's lawyer, according to him, he said that Verydarkman's receipt that he provided in the court looks forged, that it wasn't original. It's not an original receipt, which means that he forged a receipt and bring it to court. But looking at Verydarkman, it doesn't look like someone that got to forge a receipt, knowing too that this is now a matter of court issue and not a child's play. Do you get it? So my people, what do you have to say concerning all this matter? According to Nafdac News today, Nafdac wishes to inform the public that none of these products being advertised and sold are registered. That is, the product advertised by Pastor Jeremiah. They also say that the public is also being advised to stop patronizing any of these miracle products. Nafdac is a scientific organization that is guided by verifiable scientific facts before registering any product. This thing happened on August 27, 2024, which is last month. A team of investigation and enforcement Nafdac and Federal Task Force on Counterfeit and False Drugs and Unwholesome Processed Foods visited the ministry to commence investigation on the place of purchase or the manufacturing site for possible sample collection for laboratory analysis. According to the officials did not cooperate with the team letters of invitation, which were issued to the officials to report on August 28, but it was not honored. The company instead submitted a legal document at Nafdac headquarters Abuja on August 28, 2024 and asked to come back on September 3, 2024 to organize their documents before coming. The agency then gave the prophet till the 29th to report to the Investigation and Enforcement Nafdac office Asaba for further necessary investigation. My country people, you all have heard from the horse's mouth. This one now is Punch News directly from Nafdac. So Pastor Jeremiah's products are not Nafdac approved, and he is selling it. But ever since Verydarkman delved into his matter, I think he has stopped selling his miracle products. Yes. Okay, watch this video and tell me what you got to talk concerning this.
What you're going to do, this is, look at these stones, you will take this thing, you will put it on your neck, like this. Then, you go to where the angels are praying for the stones. Then you take 4.
Now, the video you just watched is Pastor Jeremiah's performing miracle. Imagine giving a young guy, a man, his ID card, or maybe church, this church ID card, maybe Usher's ID card or whatever it might be, that should just take it and go to where the angels are praying on stone and pick some stone. Imagine what is actually happening in this country in this continent called Africa. Our own pattern of Christianity is something I don't even understand. This is not the way Jesus Christ did in the Bible, for crying out loud. If you want to follow Christ's step, follow it diligently and in a better way, and not in a confusion or trying to mar people or trying, to eat. Just, for the sake of luring people to come to your church for your benefit of, earning an income from it or whatever it might be. Because I don't understand this type of miracle. Imagine this thing look like, as if you're watching movies. These are the things we saw in movies, but now churches are now performing like, say, it is real. I don't even understand it. Anyway, Verydarkman have made it clear that Pastor Jeremiah must must show in that court. Probably let's wait till today is 8th, maybe tomorrow being 9th of September 2024. Just stay tuned for more updates on Pastor Jeremiah's court case with Verydarkman. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification button so you get notified of all latest Nigerian news. Remember that Christy TV got you covered in all news. Don't forget to drop your own comments, what you have to say about this video I just watched. Tell us in the comment section your opinion about Verydarkman and Pastor Jeremiah's case. I love you all, my country people. Vizu, vizu.